Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to retrieve contact from Gmail. Friends, if you have accidentally deleted a contact on your mobile phone, like here in contacts, we find our saved contacts. So if you delete a contact over here, like I delete this contact, and later after deleting you realize that you accidentally deleted this number. So now to retrieve this contact, you need to open contact.google.com on your web browser, and here log in with the same Gmail ID from which you have logged in to your mobile device. So now here you need to click on trash. Now here you will find the deleted contact, like I have deleted this AA1000, and here I can find it. So to get this contact back, I simply need to click on recover. Now it will saved in my contacts again. So here you can get deleted contacts up to 30 days, and after 30 days of deleting contact from your mobile device, all the contacts over here will be deleted. So friends, like this you can very easily retrieve contacts from Gmail. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.